When you run your Arduino program and you try to print something on the serial monitor, sometimes you may have something like this, which is definitely not what you would expect it, because here you wanted to print a string and you get those weird characters. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix that issue. So first of all, this has nothing to do with how you write your program, okay? You use serial.begin with a baud rate in the void setup function, okay? And then serial.println with some text or just serial.print will also work. The problem here is due to the synchronization of the baud rate of your program and the baud rate you have selected in your serial monitor. And you can see the baud rate here. If you go at the bottom of the serial monitor, you can see we have different options, and one of them is a number with baud, which means baud rate. And the baud rate here is 19,200, whereas the baud rate in our program is 9,600. So this is not the same baud rate. So basically, it's like if you are speaking Spanish to someone speaking Russian, well, that will not work. So you need to set the same number for the two baud rates. So the first obvious solution is to change the baud rate here from the serial monitor to the same as in the program. And you can see now we have Hello Arduino. So when you change the baud rate, actually this will reset the Arduino program here on Arduino Uno or Arduino Mega or Arduino Nano, for example. And then you have here, you can see the correct string that we wanted to print. And now, if you want, you can also, so let's go back to 19,200. So now you can see those weird characters here because the baud rate is not synchronized anymore. Now what you can do is simply update here the baud rate from your program. So I'm going to close the serial monitor. I'm going to upload and open the serial monitor again. And as you can see, we have the correct string, but we still have some weird characters. So in that case, you might need to start again the serial monitor, okay? If you start again the serial monitor, then it will work because you could still have some weird characters waiting to be printed in this serial monitor. Alright, if you liked this video, subscribe to get more tutorials like this in the future. Also, check out my online courses so you can learn Arduino step by step by practicing and directly going to the point. Links are in the description. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial or in one of my courses.